In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 of the best Canva handwriting fonts that will help you elevate your designs. Now, these fonts which I'm about to share with you is just a small fraction of the handwriting fonts here in Canva. Now, if you want to find more, to see what there is, you simply want to click on your text, come up here to the left hand side, and then you can come down to here where it says handwriting. Then it's going to pull up all of the handwriting fonts here in Canva. And as we can see, there's quite a few. Now, one thing to note is some of these are free and some of them are paid. If you see this little crown next to the font, that means you have to have a Canva Pro account. Now, a few of these fonts, which I am about to share with you, are free and they're also paid. And if you want to check out a Canva Pro 30-day free trial, then there will be a link down in the description. Disclaimer, it is an affiliate link, so if you decide to purchase after the 30-day free trial, then I will make a small commission. Now, with that being said, I have 10 handwriting fonts which I want to share with you. Now, the first one is called Apricots. Now, if we click on here, come up to the left hand side, we can see that one just here. And this is also a free font. Now, what I actually went ahead and did was go through all of those handwriting fonts, finding the ones that I like. Now, I'm also going to leave the names of all of these fonts down in the description below. But this is the first one. You can see it's a really nice font, and that's called Apricots. The second is called Brittany. And out of all of these 10, Brittany is probably one of my favourites. Now, if we click on here and come up to the left hand corner, we can see what that looks like. That's this one just here, and this is also a free font. Font number 3 is a pro font, as we can see here, because I've put a little crown, but I really like this one as well. If we click on this, this is actually called Madelyn, and if we come up to the left hand side and come off here for a second, that's this one just here, and again we can see that this is actually a pro font. But that's font number 3. Font number 4 is more sugar. This is more of like a playful font, which would work really well for anything related to younger kids. And this is also a free font as well. And if we click on here, come up to the left hand side, that's this one just here, and that's what it looks like. So that's font number 4. Font number 5, another one of my favourites out of these 10 fonts, and it's called Golden. We can see it's a very minimalist kind of script font as well. Now, this is also a pro font, so you do need a pro account, and if we click on here and come up to the left hand side, we can see that just here, and this is what it looks like. So that's font number 5. Font number 6, this is another pro font, but I really like this one as well, and it's called Sensa Wild Fill. Now, if we click on here, come up to the left hand side, this is what it looks like just here, and that's font number 6. Font number 7, this is actually a free font, and it's called Oregano. And if we click on here, come up to the left hand side, we can see what that one looks like in here as well, and it's that one just there. Now, font number 8 is called Permanent Marker. This would be a perfect font if you're doing anything related to kids' schools, because it's just got that effect and that feel about it. But it's called Permanent Marker. This is actually completely free. And again, if we come up here to the left hand side, we can see that just here. Now, that's font number 8. We then have font number 9, which is Conveat Brush. Very nice font as well. If we click on here, come up here to the left hand side, we can see what that one looks like as well. And then the last font, font number 10, is called Happy Girl. This is actually a pro font as well. And again, if we click on here, come up to the left hand side, we can see what it looks like just here. So these are the 10 Canva handwriting fonts that I wanted to share with you and that I personally really like. If we have a quick recap, we can see font number 1 is Apricots, font number 2 is Brittany. This is actually my favourite out of all of these. Then font number 3 is Madelyn, for number 4, More Sugar, for number 5, Golden, another one of my favourites out of this list, font number 6, Sensa Wild Fill, font number 7 is Oregano, font number 8 is Permanent Marker, font number 9 is Conveat Brush, and the last one being Happy Girl. Now if you want to check any of these out, I have put the names of these fonts down in the description as well. And if you want to watch more of my Canva font videos, then click right here and watch this playlist.